Feast your eyes on the Nexgrill 5-burner propane gas grill in stainless steel with side burner, the perfect grill for feeding the whole family. A heavy-duty stainless steel lid offers supreme durability for increased grill longevity. In other words, this Nexgrill will be fueling family cookouts for years to come. Plus 5 stainless steel main burners each carry a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. When it's time to grill, up to 67,000 total BTUs of grilling energy means quick, convenient, controlled heating. While a generous cooking area provides enough room for up to 29 burger patties. Plus, its porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids are built to last and retain heat exceptionally well. And an upper-level warming rack keeps food toasty. Beneath the cooking surface, porcelain-coated flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor. On the right side of the grill, a 12,000 BTU stainless steel side burner lets you simmer, sauté, or boil without leaving the grill. And on either side, stainless steel side shelves offers extra room for food prep and storage. When it's time to clean up, a convenient rear pull-out grease box keeps things simple. A front access condiment rack offers a convenient spot for spices and other grilling essentials. And 2 large wheels make freeing up patio space a walk in the park. Ready to bring something new to your family barbecue? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill 5-burner propane gas grill in stainless steel with side burner.